Faster than the Lexus.
Oh, this is great. You weren't kidding about those G's.
I know. They get ya.
Oh, that's amazing.
Torturing the tires through there.
Oh, really? How often do you have to replace those tires?
Every few events. The bad ones are brakes.
Oh,
These
really?
these rear pads only last a few hundred miles. Yeah, I know. It's because of the stability control, which is weird. Yeah. Cool down through here.
Wow, what an experience. I almost wasn't able to make it either. I had a house sit.
I'm glad you did.
Oh yeah.
Oh. Gets him every time.
Wow!
Woo! Slowest part of the track here.
Okay.
Onto the back straight.
Okay, here we go.
Little drift. 106, 108. There we go. Yeah. Slowing it down here.
Wow!
This is a fun corner after lunch, after pizza. There it is. Yeah! Tortured tires.
Oh my god! You're definitely a professional!
Yeah, no crashing today. Not allowed. They strictly forbid it. Woo! There you go. That's it. All right. So we'll do just a little cool down here. Let brakes, tires calm down a little bit. They get really excited and really hot, so yeah. Pretty awesome, huh?
This is so cool.
Slowest section of the track here, onto the back straight. Go. And we'll use this second part as kind of a cool down. Let the brakes dissipate some heat. What'd you think?
Huh? This is so cool.
You got the death grip, so I assume you had fun.
Oh my god.
Yeah, these things, they can take it all day long. They sound good, they perform really well. It's pretty amazing. Fun little track here too.
I'll be doing this again.
Good, yeah, you should
I'll
definitely
try
come
the
back.
Charger next, because I'm curious what's the difference.
Yeah, the Hellcat Widebody is the absolute, it's the bee's knees, man.
Really?
It's so good. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Hey, my pleasure. Glad you got to enjoy.